Hello everyone, in this video lecture we'll be studying the topic inverting amplifier calculation of output resistance, which is ROF. This is the inverting amplifier diagram where we can see this is inverting pin, this is non-inverting pin is grounded. This is inverting pin where we are applying our feedback resistor RF and as an input resistance R1. Here we would have got V input, but we have made this input to be shorted because we need to apply Thevenin's theorem at the input side of the op amp so that we can calculate the value of ROF. So as we have already discussed, first step of ROF is to calculate the Thevenin voltage. For that, V input which was connected here at the input pin has been shorted. Second thing is we are connecting a output voltage source, which is a test voltage source V0, which is forcing a current I0 here. This I0 is equal to the sum of IA plus IB by using KCL at this node here, at this node. Now if you see here, IB here will be very smaller as compared to IA because this our input is higher. So the input resistance here, the current going here at the input resistance will be very small because input resistance is high. So IB will be very small. So I can approximate your IA as I0 as IA. This is our first equation. Now we can apply KVL at this loop in order to get the output equation. So if I apply KVL, I'll write the equation as V0 is equal to IA R0 plus AVID. So this is my equation. Now I can rewrite this equation as V0 minus this term here IA R0 minus AVID is equal to 0. Further, V0 minus IA R0 minus A. VID is how much? VID here is, you can see, plus of V1 minus of V2. V1 is 0. V2 here is how much? VF. So this is the value of VID, which is minus VF. In place of this, if we put minus VF, it will become this much. Now I can write B as, here this is your feedback network where V is nothing but the output voltage VF to the input voltage here, to the output voltage here is V0. So for this feedback network, output is VF but input here is V0. So VF by V0. So from here VF is nothing but B times of V0. So let's put this value of VF here, B times of V0. Rest all terms as it is. Now from these two terms I can take V0 common. So if I take 1 plus AB and this IA R0 I will send this side. Now in place of IA I can write it as I0 because IA is approximately equal to I0. So from here V0 by I0 if I calculate, that will come R0 over, that will come V0 by I0 if I calculate R0 over 1 plus AB. V0 by I0 is nothing but ROF. So this is the value of ROF where you can see ROF get reduced by a factor of 1 plus AB, and that is required actually because we want your output resistance to be as less as possible. So this is the derivation for ROF. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.